is, well, heck, it's close to afternoon. It's closer to lunch than it is to breakfast. And so I am Shay. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay. Shay with the pow pow. Definitely take a second and subscribe. Also make sure you smash like button. Support your girl. And so as far as today, I need 15 offers for $5. I do have some new deals to share as well. I wanted to mention with the Ibotta ball drop, a new phase will be starting on the 21st of this month. So if you've already won for this current phase that we're in, definitely be ready to try again. I've won in all phases so far. And so, yeah, I'll have a link in the description for you. It's a no purchase link. Now there is an offer in the app you have to activate and accept terms as well. And then the link in the description is, there's a couple terms to accept as well. You watch a video and you get notification via the app if you've won or not. You guys, I didn't even realize when I did my last video for Walmart rewards, it's literally my birthday and how old I'm gonna be, which is crazy. I was like, should I like play the lotto or something? Is the universe trying to tell me something? Because it was 1277. I've made $1,277.49. That's my birthday, and that's how old I'm gonna be this coming year, 49. I was like, that's crazy. That was so crazy. I have been doing a lot of field agent, you guys, and I like the what do they call them, shelf view, where you just go take pictures. And so I've been doing that a lot. I try to like, because you have to do those within 4 hours. So I try to like get like 2 or 3 that are in the same area so that I'm not like, and then I also make sure I cross check the apps to see if there's any rebates I can do while I'm there so that I can get, you know, 2 things at one time. And so I did do Vons, Aldi, Target, Winco, and I did one at Walmart as well, I believe. And so, and you get $3 for those as well. So, and if you're already at the store, it's like, it's a win-win. And so, with that being said, we're going to head to Walmart, see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab. If you want to see what your girl got, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Right, so this first deal is on the Rockstar. I did this deal at Dollar Tree in my last haul with the slim cans, and it does work for checkout 51. But Dollar Tree is not available on the sister apps. So I thought I'd try it here at Walmart and see if I can get both to work. Rockstar, they're priced at $188. You want to grab 2. You'll pay $376, getting back 2 on checkout 51, and then 2 on Swagbucks and make it a 24-cent moneymaker. So I'll let you know how it works out. All right, so this next deal is on the Super Pretzels. I was looking for this one right here. It's priced at $3.46. I'll pop up a picture of it. They're priced at $3.46. So for that, you want to grab 2 of them. You'll pay $6.92, getting back $1.50 on checkout 51 for the 2, and then 3 on Swagbucks would make them $1.21 per bag. Next up is the Milton's jalapeno gluten-free crackers, priced at $3.64. You have to grab the jalapeno flavor. And so we're going to get that back on Ibotta, making that absolutely free. So this next deal is on the Baker's Joy. One of you guys let me know about this deal on the sister apps. I thought it was buy 2, get 3. Duh, reading it is fundamental. It is buy 1, get back 3, limit of 2. So I did grab 2 of them at $3.50. Got back $3 on Swagbucks, makes them 50 cents per can. So my next deal is on the ballpark. Hot dogs. Now for this, I think it says like the 16 count are the beef ones, but the bun size Franks, they do scan for the offer, buy 2, get back 3. So grabbing 2 of them, you'll end up paying $7.72, getting back 3 on Swagbucks. Makes them $2.36 per pack, which is not bad necessarily. I'm hoping it'll pop up on checkout 51 on Sunday, so we'll see. This next deal is on the Doritos soda. These are actually pretty good. I'm not gonna front. They're priced at $108. Now for this, there is a buy 2 get 1 free offer on Restock. I'll have a link in the description or the Google Doc. There is also a buy 2 get 2 free as well. If that one is still valid, I'll link that one as well. I have the buy 2 get 1 free. So for this, you're gonna buy a total of 3 of them. End up paying $3.24, getting back $108 through Restock, would make them 72 cents per
bottle. Now that I'm over here, I know there's an offer for this right here. I don't know how to pronounce that. There's an offer on I want to say on aisle for buy one get one free, and they're priced at $168. So basically, we get two of them for the price of one. This next deal is on the Glade warmer. It's not a freebie because the prices have gone up. They're priced at $197. But we do have an offer on Ibotta for a limit of 3. It's also available for Walmart Rewards as well. I actually grabbed it at Target because they were $179. But I also grabbed it again here since it reset. So you'll grab one at $197. Getting back $178 on Ibotta makes it 19 cents. Next up is a Swagbucks refresher. I finally found this. I didn't grab it in my last haul because I couldn't find it, but I'm at a different store that carries it. Now I'm happy I didn't do it then. I did see Eunice post a video on this G wording on checkout 51, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it. They're priced at $4.68. For this, you want to grab a total of 2 of them. You'll pay $8.94. Getting back $1.50 for each on Ibotta. Hopefully $1.75 for each on checkout 51, and $3 for 2 on Swagbucks. Makes this a 56-cent moneymaker. I came to see if I could find any of the deep clean liquid, the smaller bottles, not those humongous ones. But they're on clearance for $3.50, and we have offers on Ibotta, Walmart Rewards. They don't have any. I've already scanned the larger ones. Those are regular price, $15. But if you can find the deep clean, then it would be a nice little deal. But I did find the Ultra Packs. They are on clearance for $6, which is right here. Getting back $4 on both Ibotta and Walmart Rewards. I went ahead and grabbed 1 for each, making this only $2, which I think is pretty good considering it's normally $12. Now, I did try the $3 Healy that we found on some of these deep cleans some time ago. I tried a $3 coupon and I tried a $2 coupon that I found at Target. Neither one worked. I mean, it says for liquid, but sometimes it'll work on the packs. And so $2 is definitely not a bad deal. Next up is the Advil liquid gels. This is on the 40 count. It's priced at $6.68. For this, we're grabbing 2. You'll pay $13.36 getting back an offer on checkout 51. There's 2 different ones. One is $2, limit of 1. One is $1.80, limit of 5. So hopefully, if it works like it did last time, we'll get 1 of each from checkout 51. And then 7 on Swagbucks. It'll make them $128 each, which is definitely not a bad deal. Of course, we're doing the Forester Baby deal again. Now, I did it, a couple hauls ago. It did work for me on checkout 51, and so I think it was Easy Bucks, I think I did it on. It's priced at $17.97. I don't have it on Ibotta anymore for $8. I do have Walmart Rewards. So we'll do $8 Walmart Rewards, $8 on checkout 51, and $8 on Swagbucks, which would make this a $6.03 moneymaker. All right, this deal here is on the Hot Wheels. It looks like it's just 1. It's the 80th anniversary one. I'll pop up a picture of it. They're priced at $128. Getting back 50 cents on Ibotta makes it 78 cents. I believe the limit on that is a limit of 5, but you have to get a certain one. One thing I do like about coming in the morning sometimes, because literally they have all the cases open. So Vaseline, it popped back up on Ibotta, but it now excludes the lip balms that we got last time. But it does work on these that are priced at $3.98. This one here. This one here. This one here. That one there. So it make them $198. I would check Shopkick as well because I did see somewhere that there was offers on there for Vaseline, and so yeah. So next up is the Nivea Men. It's on the body wash. This offer on Ibotta, it does include either body wash or lotion. I've been scanning lotion and nothing seems to work for me. Now, I want to revisit using this coupon and see if it works.
Alright, it hasn't been working for anyone that I know of. So I'm going to grab 1 of them and see if the coupon works. If it does, you'll pay $2.77, get back to $200, makes it 77 cents.
If it doesn't work, you'll pay $4.77, get back 2 on Ibotta, 2 on EasyBucks, makes it still 77 cents. And so I will let you guys know if it's working. Okay, my last deal is gonna be on the soft soap. Now for this, it is a field agent deal. It has to be this one here, the Ice Berry scent. Price at $106, getting back $306 on field agent would make that a $2 moneymaker. All right, guys, everything here worked out really, really good. Like I didn't have any issues at all. All of my Walmart reward deals went through. I did that transaction first, which was the Arm & Hammer, Suavitel, the Florister, and what else? The Glade. And then I got back $20.34. And then the next transaction, I basically just rolled that. So it worked out perfect. As far as checkout 51, both my receipts are still processing. A few of the things went into review on the sister apps. The Suavitel went straight through though. Rockstar is in review, Florister is in review, Nivea is in review. Baker's Joy was in review. It just cleared today. And I think I did that like 2 days ago. I did do the Old Spice at Dollar Tree again. I was going to do it today, but the stores I went to, the 2 I went to today was completely out. I did do the grape spread at Vons. I was there doing a field agent job, taking pictures. And like I said before, if I'm going there to take pictures, I always cross-check the apps and see what I can get while I'm there. And so I had that as a freebie on Social Nature. It was $6.99, and I think for that you're getting back $6.49. So I made that 49 cents. And then the Cleanery was $4.79, and you get that back on Social Nature as well. The Athena deodorant at Target, I grabbed that as a buy and try for field agent. I was there taking pictures on the cleaning aisle and figured I could do both. And so that was $9.99, and then I got paid $2.50 to do it. So it was a $2.50 moneymaker for that. Other than that, this all worked out really, really good. As you can see, I did the Glade 3 times. I did it for Walmart Rewards, for Ibotta, and then Ibotta at Target. Yeah, I would have did the Miltons again for Walmart Rewards, but I didn't have it. It was there this morning before I went, but by the time I got there, it was already gone. Other than that, I did have quite a few receipts, I guess maybe like 6. And so everything that you see here retails $121.70, not one single coupon, y'all. Not one single coupon. I was really hoping I was going to find a liquid Arm & Hammer because I had $3 pillies. That would have been a sweet, sweet deal. So $121.70 out of pocket. Getting back $33.86 for my Ibotta. Field agent is $26.55. Swagbucks is $22. Walmart Rewards $20.34. Checkout 51 is $19. Social Nature $11.78. And then we cashed out for Brandclub, which was $10.67. Now, when I did my surveys yesterday, I showed you I do 3 a day. There was one there for $2. So I would check Brandclub if you're doing those surveys. I do them because it's like, why not? So that was $10.67. And then last but not least, PayPal was $10.53. So getting back a total of $154.73 back makes everything you see here free plus a $33.03 moneymaker, which is pretty awesome. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button. Hello. And in the comments, I want to know what holiday are you waiting for? I'm waiting for Thanksgiving because I'm a greedy pickback. Well, in my head. Well, yeah, in my head. And so other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.